Hey everybody, it is Jen with Home Eunice Plans, and I'm here to do my July monthly rewind. I wanted to take a second and tell you guys, yes, there is a bandage on my finger. We'll talk about that later, but just let you guys know it's gnarly, so the bandage is required. This week I am using this kit from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. It is in silver foil and it is beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead, speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day today. Okay, so first of all, trying to lay down stickers when you have a huge bandage on your finger is really, really hard. Just full disclosure. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. On the first, I wanted to just mark that this was the first day of July, so I'm using a couple of pieces of deco from the Sweet Planner, a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl, and that Hello July script is from Rose Colored Days. And yes, I know it is gold and the spread is silver. I was out of silver. Don't come for me, okay? Okay. Jumping over to the second, I wanted to mark that this was the day that we did our very large house clean. I was like, oh my gosh, it's the beginning of the month, let's clean the house. So to mark that, I am using a scallop box from Panda Bird Design. That house with the little bow on it is from the Pretty Pink Co. The script is from my mom's shop, and those heart clusters are from Honey Inked. Love them. They were totally a recommendation from Rachel at Gathered Plans. Absolutely love them. I'm obsessed. Jumping over to the third, I wanted to mark that I did my nails on this day, and the script is going to say nail appointment, but that's just because I didn't want to write it because my handwriting is not good. So yes, I had a nail appointment. I am the nail technician. It was great. Love the service. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit. That speckled circle is from Netty Designs. The lace divider is from Honey Inked, and the nail appointment icon is from Pink Leaf Prints. Jumping over to the fourth, this was Independence Day, so I wanted to mark that a little bit special. So I used some pieces of floral from that same Sweet Planner sheet. That frame box is from Sweet Bella XOXO, and the Independence Day script is from the Happy Planner. Jumping over to the fifth, I wanted to mark that this was a very huge planning day, like not just memory planning or pre-planning, but actually like writing out my to-do list for the week and doing like all of my boring planning. So I used a foiled flat lay from Pink Polka Dot Lily. That heart cluster is from Honey Inked, and that Plan Sesh script is from the same sheet that the flat lay came from. Jumping over to the 6th, I am going to mark that I played Animal Crossing on this day. Why is it a highlight? Because I finally got 2 4-stars on my island on this day, and that is a big deal to me. So I'm using 2 pieces of deco from the Sweet Planner. That foiled circle is from Cross by Towie. The switch is from Panda Bird Designs, and the custom script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to the 7th, I just wanted to mark that I received some happy mail on this day. So I used a scallop half box from Panda Bird Designs, another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner. Those sticker sheets are from Planning World, and the script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to the 8th, I wanted to mark that I had a awesome bestie day with my sister-in-law. She found her house on this day. I've been going through this whole process with her, and on this day we found the one that she wanted, and she made an offer and they accepted it. So it was super great. We celebrated. We went out to lunch. We just kind of hung out. So to mark that, I'm using this little scallop half box from Sweet Bella XOXO, a label from the kit. Those little besties are from the Fox and Pip, and the custom bestie day script is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. Jumping over to the 8th, I wanted to mark that this was the day that we watched Eurovision, which is a Will Ferrell movie on Netflix, and it is super great. Like, I loved that movie, especially the music in that movie. Like, surprisingly enough, the music was actually really, really good. So, yeah, I downloaded a lot of it. To mark that, I'm using a movie marquee and a TV from Daily Dose of Stickers. That divider is from Jackson Pepper, and those star clusters are from Honey Inked off of Rachel's freebie. On the 10th, I wanted to mark that this was the day that I received all of my materials, meaning my books, my flashcards, my online classes, and everything for my new nutrition certification program. And I was so excited about this because the last time that I actually was in school, I was actually studying to become a personal trainer. So I was really excited to get back into it and everything. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from Panda Bird Designs. Those little floral roses are from the Sweet Planner, and that little girl with the stack of books is from Sassy Planner Co. Jumping over to the 11th, I wanted to mark that this was a very lazy day. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from the kit. That little couple is from Planning Like a Pro. The Lazy Day script is from Pink Leaf Prints. And then I took a mandala from Honey Inked and cut it in half and just put them in the corners to kind of add a little bit of something to the box. Jumping over to the 13th, this was a super exciting day because I uploaded my collab Plan With Me with Plans with Kate. I love that. That is still to this day one of my absolute favorite spreads of all time. Kate is so wonderful and amazing. So happy that I met her in this community. Oh, such a gem. So to mark that, I used another piece of floral deco from the Sweet Planner, a frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, and that little planner is from Planning World. And the custom script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to the 14th, I wanted to mark that I had a gym day at my apartment gym. So I layered a quarter box and a flag from the kit, a heart cluster from Honey Inked, and that little girl is from Shine Sticker Studio. Jumping over to the 15th, I wanted to mark that I went to the track with my dad on this day. I think this was the night that we actually started our nightly rituals of going to the track, so I wanted to mark that really special. So I used a rounded half box and a couple of dividers from Crafts by Towie, and those shoes are from the GP Studio. Jumping over the 16th, this was my sister-in-law / best friend's birthday. So to mark that, I used this little gift bag from the Sweet Planner. The cupcake is from Pretty Pink Co. and a label is from the kit, and the happy birthday script is from my mom's shop. On the 18th, I wanted to mark that we gave a gift to Shane's grandparents, and it was a very special custom portrait of them, and I wanted to mark that using a foiled half box from the Happy Planner, and then I cut a scallop box from Panda Bird Designs, and that little package is from Rose and Tea Shop. Jumping down to the 19th, I wanted to mark that I filmed and edited on this day. It was just a lot of filming, lots of editing on this day. So I used another piece of floral cut in half from the Sweet Planner. That little laptop girl is from Panda Bird Designs, and the film and edit scripts are from my mom's shop. On the 20th, I just wanted to mark that this was a very chill day for me. I actually had nothing really going on, so I am marking that with a half box. These two open hearts are from Clever Gal Crafts, and then I put the foiled hearts over it. Got that tip from Rachel at Gathered Plans. Shout out! The candle is from the deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, and the Me Time script is from my mom's shop. On the 21st, I wanted to mark that I did a ton of studying on this day. I did some online lectures, I did a chapter review, I just did a lot of studying. So I used a scallop circle box from the Pretty Pink Co. and then I layered some vine deco pieces around that, and then that little study icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the study script is from my mom's shop. On the 23rd, which is exactly 1 week from my sister-in-law's birthday, I wanted to mark that this was my nephew's birthday, my very first baby. He turned 12 on this day. Like, I can't believe that. So to mark that, I just used a scallop half box from Tombow Designs, a label from the kit, and that cupcake is again from the Pretty Pink Co. On the 24th, I wanted to mark that I just did a home workout, which was super nice. I like the freedom and ability that I have to actually work out in my home and feel safe. So to mark that, I used a piece of deco from the Sweet Planner, a frame box from Sweet Belle XOXO, and those dumbbells are from the Pretty Pink Co. On the 25th, I just wanted to mark that I had a huge YouTube binge. I watch my YouTube videos throughout the week, but I also like to binge them, like I'll save them and just do a big binge day on the weekends. So to mark that, I used this little quarter box, it's more like a third box from Tombow Design, a piece of deco from the Sweet Planner, and that little girl eating snacks and just chilling is from the Fox and Pip. On the 26th, you can't see, but I took 2 doilies from Honey Inked and kind of put them in a circle and just marked that we went to Shane's grandparents on that day. On the 27th, I just wanted to mark that I was in my feelings really hard on this day, so I used another scallop half circle from Sweet Belle XOXO. That In My Feelings girl is from the Fox and Pip, and that heart cluster is from Honey Inked. On the 28th, I wanted to mark that we had a game night over at our friend's house, which was super nice. I think that was the first time we'd been out to our friend's house in a long time. So I used a half box from Tombow Designs. That game night sticker is from Fox and Pip, and that divider, oh gosh, where's this divider from? I believe that is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I will double check for you. Yes, it is. On the 29th, I wanted to mark that this was my very first Zoom class through the new platform. I was very excited about that, so I used a mandala from Honey Inked. That Zoom workout girl is from Planning Like a Pro, and I used a label from the kit. On the 30th, a week from my nephew's birthday, this was my husband's birthday. So I had 3 birthdays, 3 weeks in a row. I know, go figure. July's busy. But I wanted to mark that special, so I took a couple of pieces of deco from the Sweet Planner. I layered them over top of a bowstrung box from the Giving Girl, and those balloons are from Rose and Tea Shop, and the happy birthday script is from my mom shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. On the 31st, I wanted to mark that I took my sister and my dad to the airport so they could fly out to California and drive back with some of my sister-in-law's belongings so she could move in. So I wanted to mark that with a half box from the kit, a piece of deco from the Sweet Planner, that car is from the GP Studio, and that foiled heart is from Honey Inked. And that completes the spread. Here is a Viv Wiggle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!